Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we are given a machine with 4 gears, whereby gears A and B are in mesh, gears B and C, they share the same rotating shaft, and then gears C and D are in mesh together. And then in this question, we are given that the angular acceleration for gear A is 90 radians per second square, and then the initial angular velocity is 0. We want to find the time taken for gear D to reach an angular velocity of 600 rpm. And we also want to find the number of revolutions of gear D to attain this angular velocity. Okay, so since this is where we start, this is the end point. Okay, so we need to analyze the situation or determine the angular quantities in steps. Okay, so A and B are meshed together. Okay, so this means that to find the angular acceleration of B, we'll be using alpha B RB equals to alpha A RA. Okay, to find alpha B. Okay, alpha B will be RA divided by RB times alpha A, and so given that the radius of gear A is 15 mm, gear B is 50 mm, and alpha A is 90. So we find that alpha B is 27 radians per second square. Okay, then B and C share the same shaft. Okay, so that means that alpha C equals to alpha B equals to 27 radians per second square. Okay, and then C and D are meshed together. So we have alpha D RD equals to alpha C RC. Okay, so alpha D will be equal to RC divided by RD times alpha C. So RC is 25 mm, RD is 75 mm. Okay, alpha C is 27, and calculate, we get alpha D to be 9 radians per second square. Okay, and then we also need the final angular velocity of gear D. Okay, it is given to be 600 rpm. Okay, convert this into radians per second. We have 20 pi. Okay, so to find the time, we'll be using omega equals to omega naught plus alpha t. So t will be omega divided by alpha, because omega naught is 0. Okay, so 20 pi divided by 9, this is 6.98 seconds. Okay, so this is the time taken to reach 600 rpm. And then for the number of revolutions, okay, we'll be using omega square equals to omega naught square plus 2 alpha delta theta. We want to find delta theta, so delta theta will be omega square over 2 alpha. Again, omega naught square is 0, that's the final expression. So we have 20 pi square divided by 2 times 9. So this is equal to 219 radians divided by 2 pi, you get 34.9 revolutions. Okay, so this is the answer for the number of revolutions that gear D would take.